Hello everyone. Today we'll conduct a detailed technical analysis of Eli Lilly and Company LLY stock based on the last 3 months of data. We'll break down the analysis into the following sections: general overview and trend, price-volume relationship, moving averages, technical indicators, linear regression, next trading day opening estimate, support and resistance levels, potential intraday high and low based on ATR 14, possible scenarios, and conclusion. Additionally, I'll include a few key points to highlight. General overview and trend. Eli Lilly stock has experienced significant volatility over the past 3 months, with a clear bearish trend in recent weeks. Starting at a closing price of $755.57 on May 12, 2025, the stock peaked at $808.61 on June 11 before declining sharply to an estimated close of $641.45 on August 8, based on technical indicators and trend. This represents a 15% drop from the starting point and a 27% decline from the June peak. The recent sharp decline, particularly in early August, suggests strong selling pressure, potentially driven by a market correction or company-specific news. The overall trend is bearish, with the stock testing lower support levels. Price-volume relationship. The price-volume relationship highlights periods of high activity correlating with price movements. High-volume days include May 12, 918 million shares, close at $755.57, May 14, 756 million shares, close at $715.56, and May 30, 611 million shares, close at $737.67. Recent data shows elevated volume on August 7, 706 million shares, close at $670.26, indicating continued selling pressure. Lower volume days, such as June 9, 226 million shares, close at $773.71, suggest consolidation. The negative OBV, 1567 million, reflects cumulative selling volume outweighing buying, supporting the bearish trend. The high volume in early August aligns with the sharp price drop, indicating strong market participation in the decline. Moving averages, EMA and SMA. Moving averages confirm the bearish trend. The 5-day SMA at 706.9233 and EMA at 692.1911 are above the estimated current price of 641.45, reflecting the recent sharp decline. The 10-day SMA, 739.4353, and EMA, 727.9971, 20-day SMA, 769.9230, and EMA, 760.9758, and 50-day SMA, 773.9988, and EMA, 772.3672, are significantly higher, indicating the price is well below short and medium-term trends. The 200-day SMA, 879.64, and EMA, 801.6450, further emphasize the long-term bearish shift. Short-term indicators like WMA10, 739.4353, and TMA10, 699.3911, are above the price, while CAMA10, 754.2760, and TRIMA10, 759.2510, suggest continued downward pressure. Technical indicators. Let's group the technical indicators for clarity. Momentum indicators. RSI 14 at 25, 81.75 indicates oversold conditions, suggesting potential for a bounce. Williams percent R14 at -95, 90.42, and stock RSI K5 at 0 confirm extreme oversold status, increasing the likelihood of a short-term recovery. Stochastic indicators, stock K15, 24.8555, and stock D15, 24.1196, are low, while stock K5, 34.9793, and stock D5, 51.1180, reflect the recent decline, indicating limited immediate downside momentum. MACD at -15.6330, MACD signal at -4.8642, and MACD histogram at -10.7688 confirm strong bearish momentum, though the negative histogram suggests the decline may be stabilizing. Volatility indicators. ATR 14 at 28.3152 reflects high volatility. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at 841.5937, middle band at 769.9230, and lower band at 698.2523, with the price well below the lower band, indicating extreme oversold conditions. Trend indicators: ADX14 at 21.3484 suggests a weak trend, but DX14 at 63.2004 indicates strong directional movement, bearish. A rune up, 68.0, and a rune down, 100.0, with a rune oscillator, -57.1429, confirm the bearish trend. Volume-based indicators: Chaikin oscillator at -6,784,088, 48.52 reflects strong selling pressure, and OBV at -15.67 million confirms cumulative selling volume. MFI 14 at 30.5613 is low, supporting the oversold condition but indicating weak buying interest. Linear regression. The 14-day TSF at 716.9944 is above the estimated price of 641.45, indicating the price is significantly below the short-term linear trend, likely due to the recent sharp decline. Coral 20 at 10 shows perfect alignment with the linear regression trend. DEMA 14 at 730.2658, closer to the moving averages, suggests potential for a rebound or consolidation. Next trading day opening estimate. The estimated closing price is 641.45, with recent data showing intraday highs around 820.7178, June 11th, and lows around 641.45, August 8th. The VWAP at 793.3096 is significantly above the estimated price, indicating heavy selling pressure. Given the oversold RSI, Williams %R, and stock RSI, I estimate the opening price for August 11, 2025, next trading day after the weekend, to be in the 640.00-650.00 range. Strong volume could stabilize the price near 645.00, while continued selling might push it towards 635.00. Support and resistance levels. The estimated price of 641.45 is below the Bollinger lower band, 698.2523, indicating extreme oversold conditions. Key support levels include the August 8th low of 641.45 and the psychological level of 630.00. Resistance levels include the Bollinger lower band at 698.2523, the 5-day SMA at 706.9233, and the 10-day SMA at 739.4353. The price is closer to support, suggesting potential for a bounce, though a break below 630.00 could target 600.00. Intraday movement may range between 635.00-660.00 or test 630.00 if selling persists. Potential intraday high and low based on ATR 14. ATR 14 at 28.3152 indicates the daily price range. From the estimated price of 641.45, the potential intraday high is 641.45 plus 28.3152 equals 669.7652, and the low is 641.45, 28.3152 equals 613.1348. However, oversold indicators suggest the high may be capped at 660.00-670.00, and the low could find support around 630.00-635.00. Possible scenarios. Short-term bounce, oversold RSI, 25.8175, Williams %R, -95.9042, and stock RSI K5.00, suggest a potential rebound to 660.00-670.00, especially if volume increases. Continued decline. If selling pressure persists, supported by the negative MACD histogram and Chaikin oscillator, the price could test 630.00 or lower. Consolidation. The price may stabilize in the 635.00-660.00 range, balancing buyer and seller activity, supported by the oversold indicators and moderate ADX. Conclusion. Eli Lilly stock has been volatile over the past 3 months, declining from 755.57 to an estimated 641.45, a 15.1% drop, with a sharp decline in early August. Technical indicators like RSI, 25 81.75, and MFI 30 56.